All right, so welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Caspa community. Appreciate you guys. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with Caspa because it is gaining momentum yet again. If you watched my update last night, I'm sure you guys know, exactly what we spoke about actually did end up happening. Some of the levels that we've been speaking about on this channel and, the importance of some of these specific levels really are showing, as to why these levels were so important. But, without further ado, let's take a look at what's happening. I'm sure the Caspa community right now are really happy, and as they should be, of course, because we are seeing a switch in the momentum. You're looking at the broader market seeing a little bit of a retracement, some coins up quite a bit still. Caspa is one of the coins that's actually up 5.5% right now, with the price currently sitting at 18.1 cents, up 5.4% in USD, also up 5.7% in Bitcoin comparative, market cap at about $4.6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 337.1 million. Absolutely amazing to see. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at the Bitcoin dominance index, guys, the dominance index is continuing to fall down, right? This is amazing to see. Of course, if you're an altcoin holder, if you're a Caspa holder, and obviously over the course of the last few months, pretty much since August, we've been in this downward trajectory. We're seeing a major lag against the broader market. But Caspa was able to do something quite interesting, which of course we spoke about last night. That resistance that I spoke to you guys about, that we've been eyeing pretty much since August, and that resistance was finally able to break out. And of course, the reaction that you were seeing for the price of Caspa does not come as a surprise to me right now. If you're looking at Bitcoin, though, let's give Bitcoin a refresh live to really understand what Bitcoin doing. So Bitcoin's currently sitting at $99,499. Of course, remember, the CME futures are closed over the weekend, so we do tend to see more manipulation than usual. But Bitcoin is pretty much ranging, around this $99,000 price point, which is amazing to see. I don't care if it does this for the next 2 weeks even. I think this is going to obviously cause the dominance to fall more, which could give altcoins even more of a push to head towards the upside. So as far as Bitcoin is concerned, it's not looking bad at all, in my opinion. But let's take a closer look at Caspa and really understand what's happening with Caspa right now. So let's kind of zoom in. This right here is the daily time frame. So this was the target that I was, continuously talking to you guys about pretty much since August. Shout out to the Caspa community, of course, that have been here from the beginning, and have been watching my videos. This is that exact level, and around this range, not many people were even talking about Caspa, or not even caring enough to cover Caspa. And obviously the regular viewers can kind of agree on that. Once the resistance, kind of started getting rejected, this is where I started telling you guys, I'm seeing weakness, because around this range, believe it or not, some of the market was actually holding much better than, Caspa. And then, of course, the rest is history. When we saw that major fake out for Bitcoin, retesting below 50K, that obviously took the price of Caspa down to, the likes of these prices. And then, of course, when we lost this support, which we never really wanted to see, we did retest that 10 cents price point. But here we are, we made November, 19th was a retest around the Kraken air time. Another retest yet again rejected. And of course, yesterday we finally broke out of here an exact target that I spoke to you guys about, the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. That's exactly where you saw the price actually re-entering. We've made it almost to 19 cents. Obviously got stopped out, but actually saw the close, which is amazing to see. You saw the close in the 38.2 pretty much since early August. That tells you everything you need to know in terms of this momentum. It's pretty much since summer that we haven't seen the price of Caspa sitting around here. And, this is pretty much speaking to me that, we are about to see Caspa start heading towards all-time highs. Are we finally going to see, Binance listing it? Because, big players are, talking about Caspa. Of course, Crypto, I told you guys about that yesterday. Him mentioning Caspa on his channel, I think was a huge, huge deal. Not a lot of people realized that was a massive, massive deal. And are Binance going to list it now? Because you are seeing Caspa picking up traction yet again, or is Binance already picking it up again? Those are things we need to obviously be asking ourselves. But remember, this time around, in terms of retail interest, now obviously a lot of retail, I've seen people send feedback that they don't like Caspa. They like Caspa, but they don't like the exchange that it's listed on. But now the fact that Kraken is on there, more people will feel confident to get Caspa on that exchange, which of course brings more liquidity. Obviously increases liquidity because of course Kraken is a massive exchange, and also confidence, right? Speaking about the confidence itself, people are more willing to I think look at Kraken rather than some of these other exchanges. But I think this is a huge plus point. I'm really liking the way the price is holding, and yeah, I've stated to you guys this from before. If there is weakness in the chart, I am not going to be shy enough from telling you guys that. And you guys know this. A lot of people that follow me on my channel on a regular day-to-day basis can kind of agree on that. But, when the bullish momentum is there, why would I just sit here and say, it's bearish, right? That's what a lot of people don't understand. But, here we are, great movements for Caspa. I'm, really happy for the Caspa community, especially the ones that have been dollar cost averaging during the bloodbath while no one really wanted to, look at Caspa. Shout out to you guys. Of course, you guys are up almost double since that 10 cents key retest. But yeah, we're going to take it one step at a time. As long as the price is able to hold within the 38.2, I am anticipating, we do retest the 23.6 and start heading towards all-time highs. The 24-hour trading volume is quite large for Casper right now, considering what we have seen in the past, right? So good stuff as of now. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later.